Welcome back to another video, Team ℂ𝕉𝕒𝕒, your 25-year-old California lawyer. So we are doing another reaction video. Not even sure what episode it is. It has been a while, I think, since I did a reaction video. But this one is called Bad Legal Takes from people who shouldn't be giving legal advice. So I wanted to do something a little different, and I was actually going to do bad legal advice given on TikTok. Unfortunately, I don't even have TikTok, so I tried to look at compilations, couldn't really find one that covered bad legal advice. Found this this video, seems like a good one, but we'll just see how it turns out. So let's get right into this video. So I haven't watched this before, so we'll see how it goes. You will still get copyrighted. I wouldn't recommend that whatsoever. So it's funny though. It's a funny thing. I feel like the person probably sent it in all seriousness. I've never heard of this rule. It's even a real rule. I'm not really into con law and stuff, so it's illegal to not accept cash. Damn, that's a funny one too. Okay, this one's pretty good. I wouldn't trust this guy. I mean, he's wearing a suit and everything, but I wouldn't trust that advice. Yeah, I don't think that's how it works with privately traded companies. By the dip, that one going by fast. Okay, I don't know much about con law, but that's kind of funny as well. It's an interesting take. I feel like that's a take either side would have, depending on who won the election. What did that went by fast, but I don't see the connection between the two. Well, this one was clearly a joke, I hope. This is more political than I thought it would be. That was funny. I mean, if I read that correctly, it would be defamation. But that's funny. I was so distracted by the one before, I didn't even see that one. Legit sovereign citizen traveling in the wild today. Just because of their plates, you can't even read the damn plates. That's how blurry the photo is. Stephen King, interesting. I mean, I'm pretty sure that was correct. You can't yell fire. But, you know, one of those con law things again. There's a lot of con law ones in here. I was hoping for like funnier stuff, like, you know, what to do when you're pulled over, or like, I don't know, just funnier stuff. This is like more serious, very political. A lot of con law in here. I mean, that was a question. That wasn't even legal advice. Okay, that one didn't really make sense. That one's stupid. Okay, that one's pretty funny. I'm hoping they're kidding, but who knows? I mean, they get to be judge and jury though, right? For impeachment purposes, if I recall correctly. Damn, that shit went by fast. This person's moving fast on the longest ones. I like the translation on that one. That one was funny. It's kind of interesting because we're seeing a lot of these different takes on what a public company is and what a private company is. So I'll let you guys do your own research on that one. I mean, this doctor, I mean, you know, it's political, so people are going to have their point of views based on political biases. Okay, it's not illegal to burn a flag. Another defamation on this one. Well, I guess that one has a legal take as well as a medical take. Medical take doesn't really make that much sense to begin with. In all honesty, if you actually have a PhD, you copyright laws is a crime. Hang on to your retweets or erase to be safe. Okay, I mean, that one doesn't really make sense. At least from my understanding. I mean, I don't even have Twitter. Transfer the POTUS account to Joe Biden on inauguration. I mean, that's not a horrible idea. I don't see how that had to do with legal advice, but I think the comment probably did. Kentucky bill would make it a crime to insult a police officer. That doesn't really sound illegal. Probably a bad idea though. Read. Here, interesting mask take again. Or that's not advice either. That's just a fact or a inaccurate fact. I'm not really sure. When I serve on juries. Who doesn't? Wait, we're just gonna go back a little bit. I don't pause it because I don't know how the hell to edit it back. But we're just going, since it's the last one, we're going to go back on that one. Who doesn't want to defend themselves? That's an interesting one. I feel like, if I'm not mistaken, that's something, you know, attorneys have to take into consideration when putting somebody on the stand or not putting them on the stand. Obviously, it's that person's decision whether they want to be put on the stand anyways. But, you know, something really to take into account, considering if you don't take the stand, like this person said, I think it's kind of normal for a jury to believe that the person is probably guilty, and that's why they don't want to take the stand. So something interesting. Obviously, it goes into strategic planning for attorneys and whatnot, and explaining the outcome to their client on what it would be like if they take the stand or if they don't take the stand. A lot of these are very political, which is why I didn't really have that many comments to really say, because, you know, if you say one thing or another, it becomes a whole political battle. So a lot of those, just leaving it up to you guys. I think they were interesting overall. I think a lot of them weren't necessarily advice per se. They were just more of comments, and you kind of take it how you want. I think there was a question or two in there as well. A lot of political stuff, a lot of stuff about masks. I'm probably going to blur out that word when I speak, just so I don't get necessarily like flagged for it or anything like that. So certain words might be cut out or beeped out, if you will, throughout the video. So I apologize for that. You guys probably could determine what I'm trying to say. I just don't want to get in trouble, so I'm not going to be saying it. Interesting video. I wish there was more like legal advice in actuality rather than this. I think there was a lot of legal statements like dealing with copyright and stuff and how things work, like the presidential names or whatever, and how it has to be determined by a certain time period. So a lot of video or a lot of posts like that. I was kind of hoping for, you know, more funny advice on what to do when you get pulled over, or like funny advice about random things. The defamation ones were kind of funny, so I give them that much. So pretty funny video, I'd say. But regardless, I'll keep looking for other legal advice videos to react to, because I think it's actually somewhat funny. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the clothing brand at the ℂ𝕝𝕠𝕥𝕙.us. Triumph, your dreams await.